Next task is to print the order and invoice pages out. As you can see, the system is currently not open, but you can see the name of the system here, but you can also see another folder called Formula. If I open that, we've got the same system here. There's a little tip. When you print in Formula View, it will affect the width of the cells, and it's easier to have a backup copy in a separate folder. First, I'm going to print the order and invoice pages off. I'll open the system. I've opened the system. I'm on the invoice page. I'll print that off first. Now, you should have already set up a print area for the invoice. If I go to page layout, I can go to set print area. I can print out the invoice. But then I will need to print out the invoice with all the information on, including the information over here. So I will again reset the print area, and that would print this information as well. Now, the fact that this page break here appears is not an issue. When I get the work from the printer, I can just staple them together. Or I could even cut this out and stick it on a piece of A3, although I prefer stapled. Then I could print out the order page. If I go to the order page, we can see the order page. Now you'll have to print screen the order page as well as paste. The issue here is the drop down menus. You won't be able to print out the drop down menus, so it is better to print screen, ideally with a drop down menu open, and simply paste it in Word. That way you can demonstrate the drop down menus being present. And as with the invoice, you can select print area, page layout, set print area. I've made a slight error here because I've missed out the quantity. I'm going to reset print area just to include the quantity level, which can be adjusted by the user. Now notice I haven't included all this information here in the archive. This is copying it to the archive, and if we can see that you have copied this much over, we will expect the rest will be there, plus you will be printing off the archive, and that will demonstrate the data was present. Notice the pages, at least 3 pages. That is okay. You can simply staple the work together. Once you've done this, you will have successfully printed off your system in normal view. That just leaves the archive page left. But we will first look at the printing of the order and invoice pages using the formula view.